The genus species of a harp seal is a Pegophyllus due to the fact that the harp seal has cells that contain complex structures within a membrane. It is classified as eukaryotic. A more recent discovery of the genus they belong to is known as Pegoscelis, because this is a harp seal and they are not closely related to any other marine mammal. Recently they have been made into their own genus because they are less related to other marine species than scientists once thought they were. Harp seals are well known for having a fuzzy white coat as a pup. The fur of a pup is well adapted to the lifestyle of a harp seal. There is a water-repellent layer on the outside to help lessen resistance in water. However, there is still a warm insulating layer underneath to help with thermoregulation. It was for this very reason that the harp seals were almost hunted to extinction. A harp seal's life cycle. They are born with yellow coats that last about 3 days. The white coats last about 12 days, and this is the nursing stage. The ragged jackets last only about a day or two. They have partial fur and partial leather coat. Then beaters last about 7 to 8 weeks. They can't swim, they just beat at the surface of the water. Then bedlammers from age 1 to 3 until death. They are considered teenagers at this stage, and they can live up to 30 years or more. Lifestyle as an adult. Harp seals are very social. It is common to find grouping of seals in one location at a time. Seals migrate together and form their own little colonies. Seals of larger colonies often break off and form their own group. Harp seals spend a lot of their time in the water. A seal can spend approximately 15 minutes submerged without having to come back up for air. They conserve oxygen by lowering their heart rate by 90%. Only the nervous system and sense organs receive a normal flow of blood. After swimming for a while, harp seals do not wear out easily because of the lack of lactic acid in their muscles, as other animals would. When migrating, harp seals can spend long periods of time at sea, without ever stepping foot on land. During this time, it is not abnormal for a harp seal to sleep while in the water. Scientists have found them sleeping for mere minutes at a time, belly up. Their environment. Based on its breeding grounds, the harp seal can be divided into 3 distinct populations found throughout the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic. The seal's diets include a wide variety of fish and invertebrates, but consist primarily of small fish such as capelin, Arctic cod, and polar cod. Its main predators are polar bears, humans, orcas, and sharks. Some interesting facts about harp seals. Adult harp seals grow to be approximately 5 to 6 feet long and 300 to 400 pounds. All 3 populations are hunted commercially. When a harp seal pup eats, its teeth grow, and they don't grow if the pup doesn't eat. A mother harp seal can distinguish its baby from hundreds of others based on smell alone. In mating season, a male harp seal will dance to get the best mate. Underwater, there are at least 19 different calls that adults can use to express themselves during sex. Pups bawl and mumble for their mothers. Adults growl and warble, unlike their relatives like sea lions that bark. Male harp seals get the harp-like markings at age 7, but females do not get them until they are 12.